can see, I'm at a Turkish restaurant and everything's halal, obviously. And as you can see, we have these really cool snacks. Oh, they look so delicious. Okay, it's actually sort of delicious. Actually, yeah, it is delicious, actually. But it's not the best, but it is delicious. It's not as good as cheesecake, but it's like the only bad thing about it is that like it's the Jello. This makes it taste weird. I can't eat the whole thing, but I think there's gonna be way more tastier foods coming up. Okay, guys, and as you can see, a lot of other foods have come, and I already helped myself a lot. But as you can see, there's this very delicious rice, and they've like put it in like whatever you call it. They made the rice sticky, and also they've added some very delicious meats, which I can't even eat it by itself. Look. Wow. So delicious. And then we even have this cake right here, which I haven't even took a bite of because, I mean, cake with meat and rice don't really go well together. So, I mean, it would be delicious if I tried it. But I didn't. Okay, now let's try the rest of the food that I really haven't tried. So, as you can see, we only have 2 more foods to try. And the first one is this thing. That doesn't look that appetizing. It doesn't look like a Dorito. It looks like, like an arrow, tiny, like spiky thing, It tastes like a dumpling, but better. They're like 100 times better than dumplings. And first of all, you can eat them in one bite. That's one of the main problems. That's why I don't like one time. Because like you have to, it's so messy, when you try to eat it, all its insides come spilling out. This one completely removes that problem. And even better, the design. I recommend you make mini dumplings too. That is actually, it doesn't have to be that same exact design. It just has to be so that you can swallow in one bite. For children, will really like that. If you have problems with your children not liking that, one of those major reasons why they don't like it is because of how messy it is. Most delicious one might be here, but I haven't even tried this, so let's not get too ahead of ourselves. Get it? But other than that, let's try it with a fork, and we should be good to go. So let's just try, like the corner normally. Normally, that's where we start off in the cake. So easy to cut. Look at this. Imagine when you're cutting your cake and you see this on the side of your fork. Oh my gosh. Okay, enough of that. Now let's just try it. That is delicious. It's not the best, because all of them are actually delicious. The only thing, they all were delicious. They were very delicious, in fact. But this one, it's kind of like the Jello, but 2 times less worse.